What is good, Wavy Gang, man? And look, we are back with another video, man. Hey, so look, today, I know you guys see my hair. You probably like, what the hell happened to my hair, right? What happened to the waves? What happened to the 720s? What's going on, man? Hey, but look, so this video is going to be mainly just like, okay, say you forget your do-rag, you forget to put the do-rag on at night, and your hair get messed up or whatever. Or your do-rag fall off while you sleeping and your hair messed up, right? But yeah, so you're probably like, oh, what the hell do I do? How do I get my waves back? I'm probably gonna do hella brush sessions just to get my waves back. No. I'm gonna teach y'all how to get your hair back, get your waves back overnight. Alright? So what you need to do, right? You already know what I'm probably gonna say. All you need to do is do a wash and style method, man. That's all you need to do. I'm telling you, I feel like people underestimate how much a wash and style does. Hey, but let's get into this, man.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
This is just horrendous. We're supposedly
Going so fast, hope I don't crash. One false move, that could be my last.
Hey, but look, so let's get started with this video, man. Hey, look, so you're gonna see like little strings in my hair. It probably came from aloe vera. I'll rinse it out, but I mean, we're gonna brush it out anyways with the whole wash and style. Style it, gonna brush it, whoop the whoop. Hey, make sure you get your hair wet before we even start. So you want your hair to be nice and wet. And for this right here, you want to use warm water. You want your pores open. You want to get that, you know, that nice, rich nutrients inside your hair, get in your pores. And then after that, once you finish doing all that, styling it, then you want to use cold water to close your pores so it can lock all the nutrients in. All right, so yeah, let's get it.
Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free, of the free, and of the free, of the free.
has dried, so I'm about to get ready to show you guys the results of what I'm working with, man. So after that wash, let's see what we working with, man. Alright, here we go, here we go, here we go. Y'all can see the waves is back. Y'all see what I'm working with. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, man, do it all, man. Hey, peace on the street, share.